Well, today I'm on Rolex, which is a mule, and I'm down here. We're doing the Bobcat Trail. It's a sunny day. Saw a lot of prickly pear cactus out there. So we got the other people in back of us here, and looks like a gate here we're going to go through. And there it is. We're looking down there. See everybody else around here. Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's looking at his buddy there. Okay, don't get crazy now. Don't get crazy.
This is what we use to get all this dirt off of this. This is a curry comb, and it's pretty strong and it's got pretty good teeth. So you can always just bang it a little bit on that to get that out. And we use that on the hairy guys that are dirty, like all these guys are. This is just a brush, a finishing brush that you would use like around their eyes, around their ears, after you're done with the curry comb. Actually, you know, for what we're doing here, like we could saddle them up after we finish with this curry comb, because that other brush is going to do a whole lot with as much hair as they have right now. These are kind of nice. The horses love them. You can stick your finger in there if they've got a little deal. And this is a circular motion. You want it, you know, counterclockwise, the way the hair lays. You can do it like that if you want to, but that also takes quite a bit of hair off. But they love these. They love these rubber curries. It really feels really good to them. And, yeah, and it gives you a really good workout too. So as far as their mane and tail goes, these are the brushes that we use for that. So for safety reasons, when you're doing a mane or a tail, we talked about this the other day too, awareness. You need to stay aware. You need to stay aware of what their ears are doing, what their body position's doing. If they're looking like they're a little bit nervous about things, slow down, back away for a second, let them take a breath. See if they approach you or if they turn away. Just kind of pay attention to those things. For your mane and your tail, you're going to kind of start at the end. You can grab a bunch here, kind of start at the ends, just like us ladies with long hair. You don't pull it out from the top. With their tail, same thing. Important to just pay attention again to where you're at. You're going to want to stand, and I just walked around here, put my hand on him. If he notices me, if he pays attention, you can kind of tell he's listening. So you always want to pull the tail to the side, and I like to stand like this. I like to stand like this and just kind of, I'm able to watch and stuff. It's not a great idea to stand behind them while you're doing their tail. You always want to stand off to the side. Either side will work. And again, I'm just going to kind of pay attention.
We're doing our practice grooming here, which I just did some here. This is the guy I was working on here. And some of them are mules, some of them are horses, some of them are real smaller than some of the other ones here. But got the Palomino over here. And he's very nice colors here and everything. The horses seem to enjoy it. They're very quiet. And he's got a nice mane on him, long mane on that one there. Wow. Okay. Here. And he seems to enjoy it because he's looking at the people that are grooming him. And he's a nice color too.
He's a pretty color too.
Like a very pretty color here.
He's a really
There you
good
go.
one.
You're good.
Yeah.
Like that.
There he is right there.
Weaving down the trail.
Don't give any beer to my horse before I
I
ride.
guess I can.
Oh, they're so big, you know.
That's okay. That's a good sign.
It would take more than one beer probably to get him.
He was just clearing his throat there, that's all. They say he likes it right here. So, because they can't reach right there or something. So, giving him a little scratch. Little scratch there. Okay, buddy. See you later. Look at some of the other ones here. This is one of the mules here. This is one that I groomed a little bit earlier. He's over here just hanging out, taking it easy there, enjoying the sun. Now his neck looks real thin here for some reason. Like it's not puffed out. And he's been trimmed on the top. His mane's been trimmed like a crew cut. Feels like a radiator brush or something there, you know. So he's quiet. Sunny day. Oh, that color, I know. Yeah, I can touch you up here is what they said. I know. You want to get close to me, but okay, he's a very nice color down there. So, and he wants to get close to me too and check me out here. So, but he's in the corral. I'm up here. I know, buddy. I know. Yeah, you feel nice there too. Like enjoying that sun up there. I know. Does that feel good there, partner? Looks like you're enjoying it. Looks like you're enjoying it. I guess got my camera shadow on you there, but all right. You did it there, buddy. You're looking for more, I guess. But yeah. All right. Yeah, nice color he is here. He's going to follow me over here. He's found a buddy here. I'm your buddy. Yes, I am. Okay. Beautiful color here. Nice and quiet. All right, my friend. See you later. Bye-bye.